dal ka kan dai mi lo zot khain om le nuk thina mo chuanin dal hi a sen chi kan mangai vak lawa I leitur hi awang ve ni chu vai babu te hnak phir hi tian ei kan mai tim kan chiamo se pa hnuwa purun sen tomato purun var ta hen dania le spring onion te le lam sa ti khan olive oil kan te lang mo ta hen purun sen le purun var tlem ka te lang ei Bawngsa Mukbang mukbang mo na mo ka chhum me ka to chal to ka re do na me ka chhe ma ati lo ka kan re pa nga in fang hui tia khain ai eng hi tam to ei o ai eng ei dam hi si se le nia chuanin chili powder kan tel le bokang kan khát hoa lắng túi nè cái ít túi kan lấy pum nga ăn mình má chuan chả chắc mấy cái khan gì kan te lắng chuan chả chắc cái khan dal sen chu kan chả thau mo cha na nen chuanin hei ke diet food tur quinoa khi tắm mai hei le char la katla le tok meng mukbang lo chan mo mukbang chan rice kan e kiwi silfai man mo am album hi Bawngsa hi ka repa a bol te ka e cha ka kan re da re pa mo rong bol chungin lo re pro se chuanin to ka mar cha hi hei an tai vek to mo hitlai mi hi la tai lawa hei ron vul le chana chuanin hei hitlai mi pui an teu an ron tai jan hei tuya ka nga mo chuanin tui kan le belet pu mang cho lo tu dal hi mo in to chuan a chiar thatai lo dal chu ti hian a tuya kang deu cha a chiar mai to do na mo chuan ta tak khian hemit lai tak khian tomato kan khak ang khan lo so le bor se mo tiaron chiar tran tir taka hen a simin gas ta to nia mo amonga te khan lo bit lo nga chuan dal khal tui do kan nei don ta ni chu chuanin kan chuang le deuh cheranga mo ka tlema khal mar cha thar te hi thak le pom don mangi dal chu akhal to ti sha chu rom pot ta pep mo kan si ma wang khan amunga khan a bet ta lo ni chuanin purun var le khai shing kha kam pol tawng gas off it tur gas off khan to khei dal tui tak ngak le tuk khan me ole vena chan chaw kan lo e don hei Bawngsa ru chhum nia tui hang hei tlak iskut no te mai te hei bean sprout kan sangha tlak ania chaw chan dal a hop don mo hello indamo okay ni po kan dama chan hei vena chaw kan lo e don a chai mai kan tong trai ang Ola pa yo sakna ta hen te pe kam don tu ayan manin som se Krista kana pasara amen jol jan dal hop don mo alo clip man hey
where is my clock boy?
Clock boy is that side. That's my clock boy, baby.
My clock boy.
You can put it here with my clock boy.
Okay.
Bawngsa hi mo akat te hian an zuar ta hemi aru khan lo da khom ta mo khami kha 100,000 dong kalo ziak leng aru lang oi tui dong lu to min to kan ka chuma ru te po hei se som theng chu kham mo nuam pam kan ya be
Okay.
It's good no there. You want spicy onion chutney?
Oh yeah.
I use the garden one, so it might be a little spicy. I'll give it a little bit hot. They cook me. We are so Korean drum, right?
Gorilla drum heavy. Oh, you got my favorite.
Fish with egg. Tôi ẩm bếp bếp bằng cái này.
Oh, it's good. Not there.
There's mine out there. When did Lucas likes it so much. Cái nào phở bạc có vài hẹn ơi, nhưng lại nhãn tụt tụt. It falls down. I don't like it. Wait, taka ni Bawngsa to the bone's so good.
Oh. The bones are a bit cheaper, aren't they?
Yeah, 100,000. And no try and frozen, no it's more. 180,000 per kilo nta ngay at lang. So a fresh on it on 300,000. Tawp.
Koreans, they make
Baby, the
soup.
bean sprout too.
They make soup out of bones.
Yeah. Even the Vietnamese. Pho is like bones and flesh and Ryan's gone. Ryan's left.
Yeah, you must be back in Kuala Lumpur now.
Took in China talk, oh mom. Can we tell our flight come mal Dubai was too early, so we didn't see him off.
Yeah, he was had a taxi. He didn't want to go 3 people on the motorbike like our friends.
No one wants to go, you force them.
Yeah, I forced them. But then they get there, that's fine.
Cái bà thùng chuyến mò mai thế này không?
They don't complain at all.
No complain. No, yours.
She didn't complain. Mizo people never complain. Except for baby.
And the bean sprout. Prepare. So
Very trophy.
what do I complain? Tell me, what do I complain?
Like a gym junkie. All you do is relax and go to gym.
Then, don't take it there. Carpet alad pays. From this side. Good boy.
But then she says, oh, but you have very nice body. What is the other complaining? Stop kinoi bal. Hey, Mike. All day long, stop kinoi bal.
Slippery bun pe lo po la ta ke long ka la. Ko ma an long le tap mai chu mon. Then here I'm chin long. He walks around barefoot everywhere and comes back climbing the bed.
Exactly. What could be the problem?
Some bed cover, duvet cover, and kim a var ve kan box ya. Very delicious.
Very good one. In Da Nang, we could get these from the local market. Here we have to get frozen. Oh well. Must not be any sardines in the water.
But the naan, I don't know. The fresh one, it doesn't have eggs though, but
No. No. Maybe they give that to a processing company. Put more on, get more money. They won't have the eggs all year round as well.
baked bean sprout, you don't want?
I want to add some.
Cho con phật nó mê phút mẹ. One more dal, let me know, okay?
Oh yes, please. I think I will. But it's not low yet. It's not.
Rice sa ilaw dal hot top siya mo nito.
Baby's got a new tray.
Eat this truck by. You finish it truck by, you have that.
Okay.
Ô mẹ tôi tụt tên lên tôi về luôn. Chicken powder cái tay làm sọ thêm cái spring onion tên làm cái chhum tốt không? Truck ngấu ngầu đi chú. Ai thèm góc lo chú mình trong phép mà hành vào đi phải đâu. Ôi được thối là trong. Sao chúng mình thấy rất tốt. Get more rice too.
Okay.
Do the truck.
Ryan will come back in April. So we'll see him then. He has a holiday planned for them.
Hey, go back. April là lâu lết để đó nó mua ra được chung. Chân chú KL permanent visa chỉ khá là lâu ta visa ra nó tị về rèn chhum after every 3 months, right?
Well, he may even have to do it a bit more regular just so there's no problem. No question.
Katung da na visa khá renew hey rampon chhuah lụt liang khan tị dễ là ngay ta.
I don't think he's supposed to do that, but you know.
You want more of that boil?
No, it's okay.
Masep, he said that he was going to apply TRC or something like that.
What is it called? Digital nomad visa.
Tawp, so expensive. How much was it?
Well, I think it was only $300 for if you did it yourself, but a lot of people prefer using an agent, so they charge on top of the $300, $1,100.
Ooh. So a total of 1,400.
Yeah, maybe round it out. Yeah,
US dollar, close
yeah. So maybe even a little more. I can't remember the exact. Might be 1,250 or
How much we pay for our visa?
something similar each.
Hey, we meet to put us a day. Hey, Bandit. You crazy? Huh? You want more bones? Okay, Karo said we'll take it. There you go. bên thì đấyกันuyนี่แล้วมั้งกันยิงจุ่มจะไอเสียกับจะชุ่มกว่าค่ะลูกกันเสียนเอาบังแต่มั้งทำมีเด็กอุ่นค่ะเนี่ยวันนี้ได้มังนั่นนูแต่ควันสินะมั้งกันดับเอ็นก็สักนี่สระเหลวทั้งวันเว้ยหมักไทยคอร์เร่อีปะเตเซียโมมีบริษัทบุกเซียโมอันจ่าเราจะจูกันเช่นนั้นมาเห็น Dave is there and the next door อะเราเช่นชุ่มกว่าอันนั้นแข่งกันจุ่มนี่ไรเหล่าเต้
Dennis, you mean?
Oh, Dennis, sorry. Time. I didn't too much with that. I'm about shipping it to Zalabut. He went inside the house of them. Start barking at them. So embarrassing. It's their home, Bandit. You cannot bark someone going inside their home.
Yep.
Lung chân tập khúc mấy fan cái nó nữa mà sẽ ơi chú tục bút mình fan ngoài có lầu về thì chú today's weather is nice, huh?
Very nice. A lot of wind around today.
Baby pumpkin.
It's good, not the
Mine out there, that's wrong.
mine. My young. Good.
Mine is pumpkin. My onion is pumpkin leaf.
My.
It's good no day. Which one you prefer? It's good no day or pumpkin? Mine no day.
Mine not there.
Lucas likes so much, babe.
Oh.
Lucas, what he wants is he wants something like boiled. He doesn't like fried food.
That's good.
Yeah, oily food. He likes ăn trầm cặt tê đồ mà còn đâu tê chân. I think the ring light is moving down again.
Yeah, it's coming down.
Gần ring light đi at school lu some more. School gần lệ ngay không? Cái là nấu nháp tụt mẹ.
Oh, it's a very expensive one as well. Kapor,
Mấy chua, ăn cặp quá. Bottle check. Are you?
Kapor tawp, say.
Bandit. I told you not to take the boat there.
Nice hanging out on the rug because it's comfortable.
No. Mới thổi bọc xe. Lâu cho mà. Sẽ nói nem khá rồi cả thì nó. Finish is good now, baby.
No.
No, just one.
Oh, there's a big one.
Pa yan. Joel pa mo. Wana is good at siya. Kalaki meron ang very. Then you send me. Look at my choco plant.
Oh, yeah.
Finish the beans probably.
No, you'll finish.
It's just the yellow capsicum and
Kapor heavy.
oh, the Bawngsa soup is.
Oh, okay.
I said it's for men. It gives them stamina.
Yeah. This is all I eat, really. Okay.
Bye bye.
Bye bye, or.
Mwah, mwah.
Wow.